Mae'n ôl gan y gôl geidwad newydd Adam Persbeck. Gynt o Ipswich Town wedi cynrychioli Cymru dan 11, ond dyna chi gamgymeriad gan Persbeck a chyfle fan hyn. O, mae'n taro'r postyn. Wel, Owain Jones, sut yn y byd nath e fethu'r cyfle yna. Cyfle clir i'r ymosodwr, camgymeriad erchyll gan Adam Persbeck. Cyn Owen. Owen at Harling. Harling a chyfle i'r gydio Bale yn gwyro rhywfaint. Ac yna George Radcliffe yn syrthio ar y Bale. Miles Davies. Croesi'n ishel. Bale yn gwyro. Griffiths! O! Wel, dyna cyfle gorau'r gêm i Pen-y-bont. Dan Griffiths. Hanner cyfle ar y cyffyrddiad cynta. Oedd hi'n arbediad arbennig o dda gan gôl geidwad Pontypridd. Cyffyrddiad ymlaen gan Dan Griffiths, Elliot Richards. O'r arbediad yn anhygoel gan George Radcliffe. Amwn, rheoli'n dda, cadw'r meddiant. Clyfar gan Lewis rownd y gornel at Mertens. A Mertens yn mynd i'r llawr. Wel, mae Gavin Allen a'i dîm o fforddi ddim yn cytuno gyda phenderfyniad Mark Petch, ond nhw moyn gic o'r smotyn. Mae Mertens wedi aros ar lawr. Owen, edrych i newid cyfeiriad y chwarae. Ond mae yna ryngipiad fan hyn o'n gwaith da gan Miles Davies i ennill y Bale yn ôl yn y lle cynta. Wedyn mae'n colli'r Bale i Mertens. A nawr mae gen Amwn at Mertens. Mertens i'r llawr. I ni chwarae mantais. Amwn. Mertens! A mae Jan Mertens ar eilydd ar ei drodd dde ergyd nerthol yn curo Adam Persbeck yn y gôl. Pontypridd yn gwrthymosod yr ergyd nerthol gan Jan Mertens. A pha mor bwysig fydd y gôl yma.
Rhys, another home defeat. Did you think you deserved anything from that game?
I thought we deserved all 3 points. Surely we did. Surely no one could say we didn't deserve all 3 points today. I didn't think we were at our best, but we were on top all game. Had all the best chances, apart from the mistake from our keeper early on, which seemed to let them in. I didn't think they had a sniff really. They were here to set up to get a draw and hope for a win. And is another smash and grab, which we've experienced too many of this year.
Gavin Allen, llongyfychiadau mawr, trydydd buddugoliaeth mewn 4 gêm, mae hon yn swydd hawr, Glyn?
Na, chwarae teg, oedd hi'n gêm galad heddiw. George, chwarae teg, gol geidwad, un neu ddau saves arbennig i gadw nhw yn y gêm. O'n i'n meddwl dylen ni wedi cael penalty. Dylen ni mynd i fyny un dim efo Owain yn y dechrau yn hitio'r post. Blof yn y diwedd, oedd hi 3 points. 3 points mawr.
Jan Mertens, many congratulations on the 3 points, the winning goal and your first goal in the Cymru Premier. Talk us through the goal.
Yeah, I think we just had an attack. The ball bounced a little bit around the box and then I just saw it coming towards me and just put my foot through and luckily it went in.
What were the instructions from the manager before you took to the field?
Yeah, I think he just said, just be a nuisance, just do what you do, and a chance is going to fall to one of us. So, you know, today I was lucky enough to be the one. So, yeah, happy to help the team get another 3 points.
Ryan Reynolds probably had the best chance for you, but it was a wonderful save by George Radcliffe.
Yeah, George's a good keeper, but you know, look, I don't want to knock Ryan too much, but that should be put out of doubt in my opinion, and I thought others had chances as well that we should have put those opportunities beyond the keeper.
Da ni wedi cael wsos galad eto, fel mae pob yn gwybod, yn blaw ffordd da ni'n edrych amdano beth da ni'n neud ar y cae, a mae'r bechgi mae gyd yn eisiau chwarae i clwb pêl-droed Pontypridd. Ac i fi, Aberystwyth wsos nesaf, da ni'n chwarae bar wsos wedyn. Gêm fel gêm, pwyntiau, i ni gyda allan o'r twll gyda ni.
I chi wedi colli 9 pwynt fel clwb yn ystod y tymor. I chi'n hyderus nawr bod chi ddim yn mynd i colli mwy?
Wel, fel dwi'n clywed, 100%. Fyna ddim mwy o bwyntiau yn mynd. Blaw i fi, eto, beth am ganolbwyntio beth da ni'n neud ar y cae, dyna beth mae'r hogia yma i gyd yn neud i'r clwb. A da ni wedi gweld hogia yn gweithio i socks off i'r clwb yma i wneud yn siŵr da ni'n cael y 3 pwynt. A chwarae teg iddyn nhw, y fi sy'n neud hyn, blaw rhaid i ni deud da iawn i'r hogia hefyd.
Psychologically, Pontypridd have lost 9 points during the season. What impact has that had on the team?
Yeah, it's been tough at times. I think what it did do is it brought us as a group together. We just got that spirit within the team and we got that belief in our ability and that we can still pull ourselves out of the position we were put into and again put into now with the 3-point deduction. So, essentially now with the 3 points today, we're back to where we were. I think back out of the relegation zone as well. So, we just keep pushing on. We have a clear target that the manager gave to us. And, as long as we sort of hit those points, put those points on the board, we'll be fine. And we got that belief in us, in our team.